Hello and welcome to a new episode of Tora School Online. The winter is here and the days are short, and there is no better way to spend those long evenings than to work on our trees. This will be another follow-up episode. I styled this Mugo pine 1.5 years ago, and you can find the link to that video in the descriptions below. Meanwhile, the tree was repotted into the first bonsai pot, of course not the final one yet, and it is ready for further work. I was thinking a lot about changing the style of the tree, to cut the two lowest branches and to work just with the upper part of the crown. With that I would change the movement, the direction of the tree. So instead of that direction on that side, the tree will go towards me. But after careful thinking and analyzing, I decided to stay with this style. So today I will work on definition of the crown. There will be also a lot of work on the Deadwood. But first, of course, I will remove the old wire. And during this process I will still think about design possibilities. During the removing of old wire, I am also plucking the old needles and cleaning the branches. The only big branch I will cut today is this one at the back of the tree. Now, after it was cut off, it is obvious that the old wire didn't do the job yet. The tree needs another wiring. But first I will spend the next 2 or maybe 3 hours working on Deadwood. First I will address this root here, which was shortened by cutting, and I want to give this cut more natural look. Another step on Deadwood, which is far from being completed, is done. I will now concentrate on the crown. I will completely rewire the tree, and then of course I will style it.
I was struggling a little bit to find the right position for this branch, but now I think that it is in the right spot. And I also changed the front for a few degrees. And that's it for now. Bonsai is a living art form and as such subject of changing. So maybe somewhere in the future
I will decide to go with the more compact design from the beginning of this video. If you want to support our channel, please click the thanks button or become a member of this channel. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.